that girl. That girl will complete my life. Once I get her, except to run down.
Boy.
Yeah, what problem?
Getting her is not a problem.
I know.
No babe will want to date rich guy with money like you.
Thank you.
But the problem now is, can you or will you carry yourself like a man?
Yeah, Frank. How can you ask me such a stupid question? Do I look like a girl to you?
I should be asking you that. I, Frank, should be asking you that. Can you be too soft? You're too soft to my liking. See, this time learn how to stand on your ground. Be your own boss. Guy, you rich. You legit. But don't let your family intervene in your private life anymore. Else, you will let her lose that girl and the other ones too.
Lose who?
I swear.
Lose Dikeh.
I swear.
Ngolo. That can only happen over my dead body. That God is my answered prayer. I cannot lose Dikeh. Let me tell you, I am taking charge. But on this one, I will surprise you. If I can, I'm say it for Naija. I will surprise you. You see that girl? You know what? Do you remember that our girlfriend? I want to go to the bar now, meet her, talk to her, and have her talk to Dikeh for me. Maybe she can have her come to the house to see me.
You see what I'm talking about? You want her to bring that girl for you? No way. Go after her yourself. Talk to her like a big boy you are. Guy, you see, this time, if you want me to kneel down for you, I will. No disgrace me this time. Please. I am begging you, please.
Okay, but we still need to talk to her girlfriend just to make sure everything will go smoothly.
You're a man. Go after her yourself.
As long as you don't call me a woman again. Don't call me a woman again. My God, I'm bringing her home.
Go there, you see what I told you earlier. If I talk now, your son will choke life out of me.
Ichie, tell us your finding now. Tell us your findings.
Ichie, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for the way I treated you. You see, I don't want to be poor again. I know how much I suffered. I know what it took me before I was able to leave this village. I don't want to go back to that condition.
Ichie, Biko, help us. Biko.
Well, my finding is that you committed abomination against the gods of this land and against your late father.
How?
You did a bad thing by giving a cow to Agnes to bury her mother, when you haven't even buried your own father.
Could that be the reason?
What could it? It is the reason for all the calamities that have befallen you. And I'm even told that more are coming if you do not appease the gods. Huh?
I'm finished too. I did that out of love.
But they counted against you.
Hey!
Ichie, please, what do we do?
Huh? You have to provide 5 goats, 3 tubers of yam, a cock, and many other things that we need to cleanse you. Then afterwards you bury your father with 2 cows, 1 for him and then 1 for your grandfather.
That means everything in my account is drained now, including people's money that I have in my account. How can I purchase all these things each year? Mama, that means I may not go back to the city anymore. I'll just come and start living in this village. That is what it implies. Because whatever be the case, I will do it. I have to do it.
From America. Mama. Eh? What a sudden visit.
Mama, I'm done with my exams. I am now.
Yeah! Hey, Jesus! You so come on, and now a mother of a graduate.
Yes, Mama.
That's why I'm a principal now.
I agree to Mama.
Mama, this is my friend Patrick. He decided to bring me home.
Okay, Patrick. Mr. Decider, you're welcome. No, Chai.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Name of Mama, you're a handsome boy. You have khaki in your hand. You came with car. Of course, you said you decided to bring her home. I thought maybe you used keke. Wait! What kind of car? I hope he has AC.
Just a small camera.
But is there space at the back for him? Now sit down! Sit down, Namo.
Aloma, please come with me. There are some things to do. I have to return.
Go and help your sister. Go and help your sister.
Mama, come.
Well, come. Come just be. Go!
Mama, I'll be back.
Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, 2 phones, Riva. I don't care now, Papa. This boy! Can I see your glasses? It's nice to meet you too. That's why we are talking. I've got your sunshade. Very nice. You know I wear glasses. I wear glasses. Does it look good on me?
Yes, it does.
Yes, ma'am.
Oswandi, the truth is, my friend has given up on your friend long time ago. You know this thing called feelings. It might die one way or the other, considering what is affecting it.
I know. Even me as a guy, sometimes I feel so tired of talking to this guy. Jamike, control yourself. I've told him several times, Jamike, control your temper. Jamike, control yourself. But he will not listen. I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
I don't think any woman will want to marry him that way. If my friend can leave him, who wouldn't?
I know what you are talking about, but Beke should maybe give him one more time.
You're right, but you know he keeps embarrassing this girl anytime, every day, anywhere. Eh? As I'm talking to you now, sir, he doesn't even know she's already seen somebody else. Look my mouth to hear him. I beg.
Hey. Ha! Now here Wahala go boss. So, are you sure Jamike will take this? Yeah?
Relationship is not by force. Whether he takes it or not, I don't know. My dear, I have to see you some other time.
It's alright, it's alright. Take care. Women. So after all Jamike did for this babe, she's seen another guy. Now let me see how Jamike will receive the news.
Jamike.
Mama.
Nah.
Yes, Mama. Where is the Mama? Let her get me a glass of water.
Oh, I said I could buy something for you. Let me get you the water. Oh.
Don't worry, let me go get it.
No, let me get it. Just come from the phone. Let me get it.
You're back.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
I saw the kid today. She's back.
What, where?
I saw her on my way back. She said she'll come and see you. I saw her with one man that was driving her in his car. They went to her house.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, yes. She said she'll come and see you.
Tell Mama I'm coming.
Where are you going? Brother? Mama? I'm back. He went out. You didn't even drink the water I brought for you.
Oh, when are you going to send your project?
I have his classes. Possibly in 2 weeks' time. I'm even thinking of walking my NYC to Lagos.
That's not a problem now. I know somebody that can help us.
Yes, Mama. I already told her not to worry herself about it. And there's something else I want to tell you, Ma. I love your daughter so much. And I would love to make her my wife. Yes, Ma. It's only that she gives me a hard time, Ma. I need you to help me. I mean, don't we look good together?
I'm looking. You people are like picture from America. I'm telling you. Of course you look good together. I like what you've just said.
Thank you, Ma.
But not to worry. When you're gone, I will talk to her and sign easy. Eh? You people will make a good couple.
Hey, my love, you're back. When did you arrive?
I just came in.
Okay, you don't want to hug me?
Didn't you see we were talking?
What do you do?
I even saw your sister. I told her I was going to come and see you later. Just go home, okay? Go home.
One name, DJ.
Who is he?
Jamike, please. I would appreciate it if you would leave my compound. You're embarrassing my visitor. I mean, my son-in-law.
Eh? What did I hear you say? I think it's eh? Wait! Who is the son-in-law?
Jamike, you shouldn't have done that. He didn't do anything to you. Why did you hit him like that? I think you should go later in the evening. Now come on.
Yeah, okay. Why here? Get out of this compound now before he get here now.
Yeah, Mama, I'm going to have him arrested. I will arrest him. Eh?
You have me arrested.
Jamike,
Mama. Wait, you think you can dump me?
No.
You think you can dump me because of this fool? Makoye Fe flower.
Jamike.
Mama,
what do you mean? Eh? For 3 months now, I've been seeing them together. See, babe, don't even get me angry now. Don't even try to get me angry.
What do you mean I shouldn't get you angry? For 3 months, have you asked me about a boy? Were you not the one that told me here you're no longer interested in him?
Eh? And that was why your friend now took over. No problem. Just go and tell her that I will tear her apart. Go and tell her that. Rubbish.
You're joking. Don't let me ask you to leave this place, so. Stop behaving like a child.
Me, Uloma, behaving like a child. No problem. I am behaving like a child. Udo. But you better go and tell your friend to wait for me because I am coming back. Rubbish.
Point of correction, eh? He is not your man. You hear me? You left him. Do you want him to live all his life single? No. You got interested in my friend. I think you're broke now. That is why you want to come back to our boy's life. And since you've graduated, you're broke. That is why you want to come back.
Broke.
You are late, my friend.
Me, Uloma, broke.
You are late, eh?
No problem.
You are late.
The both of you should wait for me. No wahala. It's because you don't have a boyfriend. Since year 1, do you have a boyfriend? That's why you are so jealous. You want to put asunder between me and a boy. But it won't work for you. Go and tell that your stupid friend that I am coming back. Tell her that. Rubbish. Akuna.
Broke ass. You want a boy back, Abi?
I don't.
You want a boy back. Look at you. You want to come and spoil show for me. You want a boy back.
I will not.
You arrest me.
Jamike. Go inside your car. Go inside your car. Jamike, why?
You're okay. This car. I will destroy this. Why here?
Jamike,
Come down. I will lock him up. It's terrible here. Mama, please. What is now? I'm trying to get this thing that you know. I'm going to get an enemy. Here. Hey. Okay. Check out them. Why can't I tell them?
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, what can
I go, Nyala? Eh? Beke.
Mama, see what you have caused. Why did you say that now? What? How can you call him in-law?
Who was that? Hey, Mama.
Hey. Mama, see what you have caused.
Mama, why did you do that? Why would you call him your in-law in front of Jamike? What was that?
But he said he wants to marry you and I've accepted.
Yes. You have accepted, have I accepted? Why did you do that? Mama, I don't like this, so I don't. Patrick, just calm down. Everything will be fine.
Patrick, I mean our boy. Please, you should start leaving now. Take her and leave. Bianwan, go and bring your sister's bag. I don't want trouble.
Jamike will still look for her in school.
Go and bring the bag first.
I think Mama is right.
Yes.
Mama, you are very right.
I know.
Please get your things. Let me take you to the city.
Yes.
Let's just leave this place at once.
He's
a madman.
Baba, go to Namoto. Go with her. Enter the car. Enter the car.
He might come back.
I will talk on the phone. Get in.
Chineke, Mama,
Boy. Take her. Look, if it's about the bag, don't. She's wasting time. Buy a new bag.
Mama, don't think he was waiting along the road.
No. Just hurry up. Buy brown pants, new ones for her. Gabano. Because this boy is a very dangerous boy. A mad boy is dangerous. You know. In short. Bye, go.
Mama, I'll kill somebody today. Mama Beke wants to dump me for another man. But I will kill him.
Chimu.
She brought another man home because he has a car. And the mother had the guts to introduce that guy to me as her in-law. After everything I've done, what am I to them then?
Hey!
Anyway, I have shown him a little bit of me. I'm going back now to slice him to pieces.
Baba, come back. Hey!
I saw this coming. I knew it would happen because that girl never loved my son the much he loved her. But this how Agnes wants to pay my son for everything he did for them. God will punish that woman. If you took up over and over again.
Why would Beke do a thing like this?
Alright, Billy!
She can't dump brother like this, so you have to go back there and talk to her mother.
Hey! Agnes.
You're not in there! You're not in there! Okay, check out him! Come on, no, no one!
Look at the money. Look at the money the young man gave me. Even in the midst of trouble. Can you imagine how much he would have given me if everywhere was calm? Hi. Jamike, wherever you are, it will never be well with you. Mama. Oh, Guinea.
What you did was wrong. You shouldn't have said that in front of him. You called him in-law. Why?
So? What is wrong with calling the young man in-law? Is he not? The young man says he loves my daughter. That means he wants to marry her. Hi! Something I've always dreamed about is about to happen. My daughter. That is my in-law. If Jamike likes, let him go all over the village screaming and say whatever he likes. That's his business. Or Basaram.
Mama, this is not fair. Jamike has done so much for us. Even if sister wants to break up with him, at least not this way.
Which other way? No. How do they break up with somebody? See, it is good to break up with somebody once. Why? Give him the information. That way you have one heart attack and that's it. You recover from it. Must she marry him?
Mama, you know Jamike. If he comes here now, I don't want his trouble. You know he's very troublesome. I can't stand it.
Hey, what can Jamike do? I can handle Jamike. If he likes, let him speak from one corner of the village to the other. Besides, let me tell you, the young man's younger sister is a police officer.
Mama Beke! Mama Beke! You're running there? You're running there, Papa? You locked the door on me. Okay. You think your daughter will dump me and get away with it? I got you. Keep running, no! Keep running. I got everything. I got
Which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I'm equal to the task. The only reason I ran inside was because he took me by surprise. Yes. Hey! Mama,
no, don't run now.
No, who is running? I'm not running. I just want to go and keep the money before you steal it. Yes.
Foreign wine, foreign food, foreign woman.
What kind of problem is this? Why would my mother call you her son-in-law before Jamike?
But baby, she wasn't wrong.
She was wrong. Patrick, you are not my husband yet. I told you about Jamike and I needed time to settle things before we make our relationship open. I haven't even accepted your proposal. I just wanted you to bring me home.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it has already happened. Okay? What we need to do now is to stand together and fight.
No. That won't be possible. That boy has made lots of sacrifices for me, which I didn't ask him to, but he did those things because he truly loved me. I had plans of going to his house this evening at least to explain things to him, but when I saw his sister, I knew he was going to come.
Alright, can we just go? I don't think this is something we want to talk about here.
Patrick, I won't be at peace. You don't know Jamike, he is ruthless, he's got temper issues. He might kill you or me. I'm just scared.
No, he will not. He will not kill anybody, he won't. You know, let me take you to my house. I am very sure you will be safe in my house. I will personally take you to school every day. If it means talking to my sister and getting you a police officer to guide you every day, then I will do it just to make sure you're protected. You will not kill anybody. He won't. Please, don't let it get to you. You will be fine, honey.
It's okay. I wanted to leave, but not like this.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
My son, you don't have to rush to city so fast. Big on me.
Mama, I'm going there. They will see me there this evening. What's the meaning of this, eh? Do you know how much I've invested in that girl? I will kill her and kill the boy. She cannot dump me. She must marry me. I told him, Mama.
Is that what you want for yourself?
Mama, brother is right. He's now in the village all because of the love he has for her.
I know. But that's not the way to go about it. This is something we have to sit down and talk about.
Sit down and talk when they don't want to listen.
Marriage or by force?
I'll go by force, oh. Nkabukwa by force. Can I go now? Nkabukwa by force.
See, let me go and see Agnes. Let's talk about it. Oh, Biko, just watch over the food on the fire.
Where are you going?
Let me go and see Agnes now.
Okay. Go and see Agnes. If you don't come back and you know you've not seen me there this evening. Can you imagine that? She wants to dump me. Nana Guinea me. But you, Nakoda attack.
Let me go and check what Mama asked me to do.
Go back. No problem. Let me go and know what is happening there. Mama!
Are you serious with what you are saying?
Did you see any water in my mouth? Huh? Did you see any water in my mouth? Because if your brother's son kills anyone in this village, he will face the dance, so. Okay, he will face the dance.
What is going on? I am on my way to their house. About the mourning garment removal. Well, let's see how it will go.
Okay, you can go. But we will for Panaga, just use one leg, be going. In case he come out to attack you, I advise you run. We'll go there, say that Agnes' daughter has followed another man. Now Jamike want to kill anybody on his way. Hey. Okay.
Ibe. Arume.
Arume. Okay. Arume. Arume.
What have your mother and your sister done to my son? Has my son done anything wrong to both of them, apart from loving them more than they deserve?
It's okay, Mama. It doesn't continue to that. It's okay.
Aloma, I will slap you. What do you think you're doing? Come slap her! Living without what? Are you stupid?
Ibonyawa! Let me tell you something. I don't care about your choice of words. You can rant, rave, scream as much as you can. Or what's wrong? Let me ask you a question. Did I borrow money from you? Did I borrow money from you and your son? Did you people lend me money? You people should leave me alone. Do you understand what I'm saying? Did I give my daughter to you as collateral? Did I? Is that how you want to put it? Oh, but that is how it is. How else do you want? Please leave my compound. Leave my compound. Let me tell you, your son and my daughter, yes, they are having an affair. They haven't even decided which way they are going, whether they are marrying or not or whatever. You're coming here to harass my life. Please get out of my compound. I will go. No problem. Nonsense. But you will regret it. My daughter will never marry your son. Or not possible. I will regret it.
Mama, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing
this? Are you mad? Are you mad? Why? Are you stupid? Next time I'll slap on the eye and the mouth. It couldn't be here. Look at that guy like a small girl.
Who is that guy that he could react that way to you people? Who born him? Who is his father?
Frank. You are not even as upset as I am. That guy provoked me. It's just that I did not want to take the laws into my own hands. You know, I come from a very peaceful family. You almost injured me. Jesus. Yes. It's just, you know, I just did not want to call my sister to have him arrested.
Guy, this is not the issue of the police. This is what you and I can handle. I wish I could set my eyes on that bastard, that mascot. I would have dealt with him.
Ross. It hasn't gotten to that point.
I just want Jamike and I to settle in peace. I don't want violence in this, please.
But when he's going about it, do you think he can calm down and listen to us?
He will calm down. I know Jamike very well. Please. Babe, I need to go to the village and have a talk with him. Please.
Baby, the man is sad alone. He is a madman. What if he attacks you and injures you?
He won't hurt me. Jamike won't hurt me.
Good dear.
Sir?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where are you coming from? I went to your house to check how you are planning for the removal of the mourning garment. I met Ibe. What am I hearing?
Ichie, how can I sit at home to prepare for the removal of this mourning clothes, as you rightly said, when my house is on fire?
What?
When all is not well with my son.
Again?
Oh, you've not heard. You've not heard what happened. Agnes and her daughter Dikeh, they've decided to dump my son after sapping all the blood in his system. It's your them. Is it fair? Eh?
You see, I saw this coming. Good here. I saw it coming. That was why I did not support the relationship in the first place. Who does not know Agnes? I know that after they have finished using your son, they will dump him. Huh? Especially now that he no longer has money.
Ichie, my son has left to the city to go and attack the boy that wants to come and marry Dikeh. But today my problem, I couldn't stop him. You know Jamaica now. You know his life. Ichie, I am finished. Look at me. No husband. The son that was consoling me is nowhere to be found. When will I have peace? When will you go there have peace? I am tired.
It's okay. Go home. When he comes back, we will talk.
Oh.
Agnes cannot do this. She must pay Jamike back. And this time, I will make sure I support Jamike to do anything he likes. Yes, anything.
Dalo, oh, thank you very much. Oh, and you didn't stay for me to give you cola.
I had to go.
Oh.
Just go and rest.
Oh.
Go and rest.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
She wants to drop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which
take care. So that madman pursued my friend to the village. It's alright. It's better she stays there. As for me, I've almost finished the money he gave me.
Dikeh! Dikeh! Where's Dikeh?
Bros, what's the meaning of this?
Where's Dikeh? Where is she?
She's not here. Why did you slap me?
If you... I will destroy everything in this house. Where is she?
Okay. Calm down. I'll tell you, she's not here. She's in Pat's place.
Who is Pat? Who is Pat? Take me there now. Now! Move it.
I'm going.
Don't take me there now.
I don't like this. That is what I am saying. Jamike doesn't deserve to be separated from me like that. Mama, even if I have decided to marry Patrick, I still need to sit down and talk with Jamike. We need to have a heart-to-heart talk. Mama, Mba, you were the one who started this problem. Don't put the blame on him. Why would you call Patrick your son-in-law in front of him? You know how Jamike behaves. Mama, I'm begging you. Please, don't go around making trouble. I will come to the village so that we can talk about this. Mama, yes, no, you have to return the money to him. You know he will always come back and want us to settle him. Mama, please, enough of this problem. I'll call you later. Mama, please, enough of this. I'll call you later.
It's okay, baby. Don't let this get to you too much. So, he's talking about settlement. You shouldn't let that bother you. You know I can always pay him double of whatever he has spent on you.
Patrick, settling him is not the problem. I I did not bargain for this. And please, you need to talk to your friend. Fighting will not solve this problem.
I know. I will talk to him. Please, just... Just okay. You need to get some rest.
I can't rest. What I need to do now is to go back to the village. I need us to settle this thing once and for all. Imagine, my mother said that his own mother came to the house. I know what is going on in the village, but that is not even bothering me. The thing is, I don't want Jamike and I to be separated this way.
But what is even wrong with her? Is he sick or something? I mean, he's supposed to understand marriage is not supposed to be by force. Is he going to force you to love him and marry him? What am I?
It is not possible. I will not pay him. I will not even pay him chicken for what now? Oh, wait. When he was busy sleeping with my daughter, did he pay anything? Mba, he was free of charge. Who does free of charge something these days? Yes, now. If you should start calculating how many times he slept with my daughter, hey, that boy can't even pay back. Even if they contribute his money to ritualists or man what anything. So please, you people stop telling me to pay back what? Pay back what? Please.
Mama, this thing is not shouting matter. It's not shouting matter. What me I think is that we should just settle this thing amicably. At the rate Jamike is going now, I don't think we want to see sister get married to another man. I don't want him to hurt me.
Hurt on you? Hurt who? Magagini, he will hurt us how? No, what are you talking about? So, when somebody says they will not marry whoever wants to marry them, it has become a sin. Or by somebody hurting us, it cannot happen now.
Agnes. Agnes.
Yes?
Ugodia is going about the village telling everybody that your daughter has dumped her son after you have rendered him moneyless. How even if you
Mrs. Nteno, every time you hear and when you hear, you come and tell me. What is my business now? We rendered him moneyless up here. How? Okay, because of that integrity money. Then he sometimes gives to my daughter to buy sanitary towel. They're gonna buy a sanitary towel. Or is it this small financial help he gives us once in a while when we run out of bread? He doesn't even give us money to buy better bread from those big shops. How about this 2 naira bread by the roadside? Is that what we are talking about? Please, Biko, there's nothing that I'm paying back. I will not pay back. But let me even ask you. Is marriage by force?
No. But.
There is no but. There can never be a but. It's either you want to marry or you do not want to marry. So, Biko, my daughter has said that she does not want to marry Jamike. I don't see what. There's no big deal in it now. Ogini don't know.
Why you were asking for money, Uncle?
Who asked for money? Because he was showing off. And I thought he had too much. He didn't want to, scatter the money. He didn't want to go to the bank. Money going to give from the money.
We have to do something about this.
Please, if you want to.
That guy can do anything.
This babe makes sense, Dad. See, you have to fight this guy with everything you have. I mean everything. With money, you will win her heart.
Frank, you insult me. Fight who? That miscreant. He's just an empty vessel. She is mine already. Let me tell you what I will do. I will shut him up with money. Good money. I will give him 5 million naira. Yes, I heard he's very frustrated and hungry. And by the time I'm giving the 5 million naira, he can go to hell. 5 million will definitely cover whatever expenses he claims he has made on my girlfriend.
That's it.
Fight who? Who is doing that? Where is that?
It's me, open the gate.
Get her out! If you do not leave this compound this very minute, I will deal with you!
One more word and I will redesign your face with this. What is the case?
Guy, you lie! You lie!
Can you imagine?
You? How are you invading someone's privacy like that? Leave this at this minute before you
get out! Out!
is he doing here?
I don't know.
My goodness, how did he find this place?
I think it was Nancy. Nancy brought him to the house.
Nancy?
Yes.
Hey. Why would Nancy do a thing like that now? Listen, I have to go out there. I have to know.
Hey, Biko, I'm a Panyawa. Please! Unya, do you know he's attacking Frank? Baby, please, if he sees you, he will attack you.
That is the main reason I have to go out there to know what is happening.
Hey, baby! Hey, sister. What's wrong with your number? Oh, Becky! So you're here, eh? You're here, eh? You're going with me. Guys, let me throw from that. Marry me.
Listen, you need to calm down. You can't marry me by force.
You must. I will marry you by force.
Lock the gate.
Lock the gate. Hey.
Abo, you're here.
No.
Eh?
What happened?
So you're here?
Yes, don't worry, baby. Just calm down. I have everything under control. You should stay outside. Police will carry him. I get you and get it.
Police? Abo, is this the way you intend to defend your own home? You didn't even bother to know what was happening outside. Dikeh almost killed us out there.
No, now.
That is bad.
What is bad? I have this, please. I have this under control. I'm here taking care of this situation. I have called my sister. They will soon be here and they will be sleeping in jail tonight. I have told you I'm gonna ban here. So please, just calm down. You know, Pico, calm down. Did you see Frank? Where is Frank?
Frank has left. That guy almost killed Frank.
Hi! Just because I'm not there. He wanted to kill my friend because I wasn't there. He's going to sleep in jail. Oh, you're saying he almost killed my friend.
You want to cry? Huh? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this?
Don't worry.
You're just shameless.
Here. Lie down here. You will pay for all of this. You will pay. Lie down here. You will pay for it. You will be here with me until they come. Okay? If you move, I'll blast your head with this. I'll blast your head with this.
Oh God, allow my son to pass through this pain. God knows that my son doesn't deserve this kind of treatment. He doesn't deserve it.
Go, dear. You have to calm down. Let God judge them. I said it before. Your son was madly in love with that girl. What has he not done for her?
Look at what my son is going through. They have used him. I only realize now that he has anger problem. Threw him away. Ah, God.
Mama, God. I know my brother would not allow that. They will pay him back every kobo he spent on her.
But God will pay them back. Especially Agnes, God will pay you back. God will pay you back. God will judge you for the rest of your life.
Mama, it's okay. Stop shedding tears because of them.
Dikeh! If you don't come out of this house, I will not leave this compound. You must marry me whether you like it or not. Dikeh, better lock yourself in there, because if you come out, you will see the other side of it.
Get man!
Open this gate!
Nobody goes out or comes into this compound.
Your sister is out there. You mean you're not going to go out at least to know what is happening there? What is wrong with you?
It is not like that. You know I'm hot-headed. You want me to go out there and commit murder? You should come take it, come go madam. You wouldn't like it. Eh?
Do you want your sister to remain there? Pat, please go outside.
It's not about my sister. It's about committing murder. I don't want to go there and kill someone.
Akoya, please try. Make an attempt to do something. Are we going to remain inside this? Are we under house arrest? What is it? Eh? How are you getting a Maggie? Why are you fidgeting? Is it when you are sweating? Eh? I said open this gate. I am your Oga sister. Open this gate.
If you make any move, if you get up from that floor, I will blast your skull and splash your brain all over this compound.
Now open this gate.
Young man, don't move. Gate man, open the gate.
Open this gate.
Move, I will blast your head. I swear I will shoot you.
Okay, you went inside and called the police for me.
Open this gate. Open this gate.
I have a clear shot.
Hey, dude!
So, you are the one stopping this whole place. Now move it. Officer, take him.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here will be held against you as evidence in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you.
Drop the weapon. Shot him. Drop that weapon. Drop that weapon.
Your weapon.
Now move it.
Move
it. Move
it. Step aside.
I don't have money.
Step aside.
I used to be.
Step aside.
In my house.
Keep moving.
I used to be in my house. Hey!
Keep moving.
Who is it? Who are you?
Now move it.
Hey!
Move it.
Get on your book. Who are you? Child! Somebody! Somebody here! I will never say. What is that?
Now move it. Move it.
Get inside. In my house. In my house. In my house. Lock him up. Can you imagine? Huh? Have they left? Send him to prison! Just never allowed me to deal with him. Oh. Why didn't you allow me to deal with him? Eh? Eh? What kind of nonsense?
It's okay.
I'm taking him there. You should have lost him up.
Ije, what has my son done to God? Ije, what has my son done to Agnes? What have I done to Agnes and her daughter to warrant this humiliation? Look at what they did to my son. What did he ever do wrong to them? Hey!
Go there. No, we will not take this. I cannot stay calm in this matter. What has Jamike done to warrant his being arrested? What?
Mama, I think what we should do now is find a way to go to the city and bail him.
I am going to Agnes. If she refuses to bail Jamike, this village will not contain both of us. I will make sure she regrets it. Huh?
Police cell my son did not do anything wrong to her apart from loving her daughter.
This is more than enough. We'll go there. Please. It's okay. Huh? Please. Leave it for me. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her.
I want Jamike to stay away from that devil. I want him, he wouldn't listen. He was following her like a fly, following faces. He wouldn't listen. Look at what they've done to him. Look at the humiliation.
We'll go there. It's okay. It's okay. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her. Watch out. I'm going there now. Rubbish. Hey. Oh, no.
Elders, never! They lock me up. Okay. Okay.
Jamike, please calm down. We are here to settle this matter before it gets out of hand. It is true that both of you did not invite us when you were starting this. And now that it has resulted into a problem, you have invited us. That's why we are here. Please, let us settle this matter. Calm down.
Jamike, Butu, wait, Dikeh and Agnes, what do you have to say in this matter?
Nani Biko, Madam Agnes. Anyway, there's nothing to say than my daughter does not want to marry Jamike. Please let me ask, is it by force to marry somebody? I mean, if you don't love someone, you don't have to marry them. And that's final.
If Rosie, that is final. When you people were busy taking everything from him, you didn't know? You didn't know you weren't going to marry him?
Take what?
Okay, for again.
Nna, Nkeni, you have I ever asked you for anything? Everything you gave to me and my family, you gave willingly.
Who gave you anything willingly?
You're disrespectful.
Was it willingly?
I beg you for more. I just said I don't take local wine. You will go nyam nsigi jidega. Itu ifanya mi anaka. Hey!
Here now.
Even let me even ask, elders, please. When he was busy sleeping with my daughter, did you pay her for anything? Did you pay? I gave her to you as a virgin. He can return her like that. It's enough for free. Hey, Abazu.
That is truth, and nothing but the truth. My elders, I didn't see anything in this matter. The case is simple. Jamike and Dikeh, they were in a relationship. He helped her, and she paid back in a woman's way.
Yes.
So, since Dikeh refused to marry you, Jamike, if I met him, you saw ya.
Asige Nase. She must marry me. I swear to God, I will burn down this village. Come and move, I will burn down this village. You will marry me.
I will not marry
you. You will marry me.
I have been trying to calm you down. You will not.
You will marry me.
My elders, is it by force to marry somebody? Is marriage by force? Jamike, I will not marry you.
You will not marry me.
Yes.
You will not marry me.
I will not marry you.
Jamike, calm down. Calm down. Relax. Don't let frustration make you commit murder.
Who is frustrated?
I'm not frustrated.
Who is frustrated? When did you see this frustrated? Do you know how much I've invested in this girl? How are we going to this girl?
See what it is. This boy has gone mad. Your son has gone mad.
Yeah, wait did you go that thing?
This boy has gone mad.
He's frustrated.
Is he not frustrated?
Aloma, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nne, let's go, Joe. Why are you even stopping to ask her how she's doing?
She's my friend.
Your
She's
friend?
Our friend.
Please, why won't she feel okay when she now has new in-laws to be? Anyway, me, I will say my mind though. Whatever anyone has done to other people will surely come back to them.
Why are you talking to me like this now? What did I do to you?
Are you asking me?
So you don't know what you've done? Let me tell you. Tell your mother and sister that what they have done to Jamike is not fair. That is not how life is at all. It's not fair.
Anyway, Aloma, see what people did to Jamike is not good. It's not good at all. Jamike has been a helpful hand to you and your family. Even Even the whole villagers know. It's now that he's having problem with your sister that she now know that she doesn't love Jamike. Jamike has hot temper problem. It's not fair.
CBC local champion. Am I my mother? Am I my sister? What's my business inside? Wait,
Shut up! Eh? I say shut up! Don't get me angry before I will fight and beat you here over what your mother and sister has done.
Leave her.
Leave me.
It's not your life, oh. It's their family. It's their life. Leave them.
Leave me.
Let's go.
Let me teach her a lesson. Look at her.
Leave her. Carry your gallon. Let's go.
Foolish girl. Wait, one day what you have done to Jamike, somebody will also do it to you.
Abel, let's go.
Now me this girl just curse. Don't worry, I will. Hey! Just curse. Hey! I will finish you here. Wait, just make beep. Wait. Hey! See, what can you do? Hey, shift. Go one time, second time. Now you cause me join. Where?
Don't insult me, join.
Leave.
Now you your family problem.
Leave my deal with this girl.
It's their life.
Wait. You fit beat me. Now me, you fit beat me.
Somebody else, please.
Mama, I cannot take this. That fool cannot keep tormenting our brother just because he spent some peanuts on the girl. The girl said she doesn't want to marry him. Is that too hard for him to understand?
What I did to him is small to what I will do to him if he dares a boy. What do you call more for me?
Sister, calm down. I want you to leave that boy to me. I will handle him. If it means paying him off, if it means giving him 10 million naira, then that is what I will do. He's a nobody.
Of course.
Mama, I have seen that girl. She's a very beautiful girl. Suitable for our brother, our boy. Very suitable. Perfect.
My children. This is issue of marriage. And it is not what we have to discuss in this way. It's an issue of marriage. We are talking of marriage here. For better and for worse. That's what we are talking about here. That's what we are saying. Boy, have you checked properly? Have you checked very, very well if you and that girl are meant to live?
Mama, the thing is, you call me a boy and then that makes you think I'm still a little boy. Mama, I'm a grown man. I know when I see a girl that is my match. Mama, I have checked her out. I have spent time with her. She is beautiful. She is even more beautiful on the inside than she is on the outside. Mama, she is sweet. She is respectful. She is decent. And she is as calm as I am.
Mama, Mama, I have told you that this girl is beautiful and she's perfect for her brother. Somebody should please go and talk to that boy's family. Let him know the family the girl is coming into. If he doesn't want my problem, if he tries us, I will jail him. I will jail him.
Sister, don't worry. I'll pay him off. He's a nobody. I'm thinking that.
I trust you, my friend. You see that Jamik? He can do whatever he likes. Obasaram. If he thinks I'm going to run away from him, I say I will face him squarely. Fire for fire. Mommy, I don't care what he wants to do. Anything he wants to do, he can go ahead. After all, I have tried talking to him. He has bluntly refused. For the fact that he has gone to the whole village and spread this whole news to them, I will not marry him. I won't. If he wants, let him come here and kill me. Kill you? He won't kill you. Rather, he will kill himself.
Mama, nobody will die. Nobody will die. Nobody is killing anybody here. And what is all this now? Let's settle this matter in peace. Jamike is not a bad person. The only problem he has is that he has anger problem. That's all.
Aloma. If I slap you, Pico, don't mind her. Let her open her mouth and be bossy whatever she likes. I don't blame you. It's obvious you have something to do with Jamike. Yes. Because you're always defending him.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh my phone on me. Mama, the best thing is for her to go ahead and marry Jamaica. After all, you are a woman. Go ahead. Is anybody stopping you? Mama, me, I don't care. Anything he wants to do, let him go ahead. I will not marry him. In fact, a boy can even settle him for everything he has spent on me. He can channel the money through me and then I send it to him. But you see that money that he lent me, I am not refunding anything. That's all. As for this one, if you go near Jamaica and shout, the little brain left will disappear. You can advise her, you can't pass jump. Advise her. You've not even passed WAEC very well. Remember, somebody took the exam for you. Thank your mother for that. Neko, you can't pass.
Because of my weak point.
Mama, if I don't kill that girl, call me.
Mama, you not kill anyone. You not kill anyone. No, you won't kill anyone. You're not going to murder. Make a wine. What the wine? See, allow them to go. Since they decided to put it that way, let that girl go.
No way. No way. I am going to their place now. Mama, they will see the other side of me.
Mama, brother is right. Let him do what he wants. Dikeh cannot go scot-free.
What's your problem?
How can I be used like that and dumb? When she was collecting all those things, she did not. Mama, no chago kamo. She will marry me. And when he do, they are not. Mama, take it over. That's why no.
No, man.
Ibe, I warned him, but he wouldn't listen.
He thinks he can win this case. He can never win because he cannot force the girl to marry him. But Okoye, talk to him. Warn him. I cannot support him. I can never support him. This will be his first and last time he will come close to me. I will deal with him, I will.
Ibe.
Okay.
Me. You want him to strangle me again?
He's your brother's son.
Mbano. No way. He wants to show that he's a tiger. Then let him fight. Agnes is a learned woman.
She knows how to deal with him. he wants to take back what he gave to a woman. Can he pay back for all those nights of 4 legs, all those worry, all those bedding on his bed, on her bed, whatever bed? Can he pay back for all those nights? Okay, my man.
Evie.
No, Papa, it's okay. It's fine. We'll take care of it. Yes. So, did you still see your mother? It's okay. I'll talk to you later. Alright. Okay, bye.
That's the kind of call I like you answering. But there's something you did not do. You didn't say, bye, love. And you could have kissed into the phone.
Mama! Well, you know what, Mama?
What?
You see, Jamaica, I am ready for him. If he wants to bring trouble here, let him bring the trouble. I am ready for him, Mama.
We'll handle the trouble.
Mama?
Is it not Jamaica I'm seeing? No, Jamaica, with a knife. Mama, with a knife. With a knife. Jamaica, you're here. Is that not Jamaica? Is that not Jamaica?
Don't hear me say all time. Open the door. Open the door now. Dikeh. Oh, you're running there? If you like, run to the moon and back. You come out and meet me here. You cannot get that for free. Dikeh. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Be running. Be running. Come out here now, Dikeh. Go. I will damage something, no. I will damage this cow. I will damage this cow. I will damage this cow. Dikeh. You are running there? Be running, no. I'll be here. You think you can eat my money and drop me? He made me here. Dikeh, you can't do it.
Mama, what do we do? What do we do now? Who do they call? I don't know. I don't know the way this boy is acting. He's going to hurt us.
Are you afraid? Mama, I told you. I told you. Now see.
Mama, listen. What we need to do now is for you to call any of the elders.
No. This boy is doing this to me because I don't have a son. I mean, if I had a son, would he come here and be knocking on my door like that? Hi. Maybe you should call that boy. Let him come here, please. Hey, now.
My second daughter.
Hey, Mama.
You've heard all I said.
Everything.
Please, instead of you trying to marry that girl and enter into trouble, very big problem with that boy.
Mama,
Please leave I know.
Mama, I need you to stop worrying yourself. He cannot do anything to me. I mean, that's when I have sister by my side. Because Zoike is not working so good.
Mommy, you have nothing to worry about. That fool cannot near a boy. He cannot give him trouble now. I have told her that he must marry my brother. And it will work. Oh, Mona. Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Let's go now.
Tika, how are you?
Good evening.
Tika, Mama.
Ma, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
And how are your family?
They are doing well. Here is the dollar you asked me to bring.
Oh, Udale, me. Hey, Abo.
Okay, I should take some,
Mama, Mama, don't worry. We should start going now. The time is late. Let's go. Oh,
sister, let me take a
look. Move it. Mama, later. Mama.
Don't worry. See, nothing like I got them here. Abo is my son. I am their mother. And I will do all my best to make sure a boy will marry you. And I know he will win one pom. And I love you. You know? That Mama. You are going to help me now. Fetch firewood so that let's start cooking. Okay. Mama, don't go.
Biko, stay here. I'll go outside and talk to him. Let me face him, Mama. Biko.
You want to go where? He will just beat you blue black.
What do you want me to do?
You better call a boy to get
police. At this point, a boy cannot do anything. He's very fine with me.
Keep your phone, though.
Yeah.
Afraid of what? Afraid of what?
Go outside now.
That's what she said I should wait.
Charity, I am here. Kill me.
I'll kill you. I will kill you.
Jamike,
do you think you can dump me like that?
Jamike, I will not marry you. I will not marry you since you want to do it by force. I will not marry you.
I will kill you. Did you think I was a fool? You think I was an idiot? Is that what you thought? I was a fool?
Jamie!
I will kill you and nothing will happen. You will marry me.
Don't do it.
You will marry me.
I will not marry you.
Mama, she can't marry another man. I'm Benny Egonuya. Are you mad?
Don't kill her. Don't kill her. People leave her. Leave her.
Don't do it. If you kill her, what happens to me? If you look at me, just look at me, your mother, look at me. I'm a widow, look at me.
Please don't do this.
Oh, Mama! Mama, this girl be going soon.
If you take it to jail, what becomes of me? Huh? I will die. Please don't do it. Just leave her. Just leave her.
Please, we beg you, please.
Look at me.
You will marry me. I swear to God. You must marry me. You will never marry another man.
I will not live and see you marry another man. Mark my word.
I will not marry you. I will not marry you. We shall see. We shall see, and I will not marry you. God, if you give my woman, you meet your Waterloo. I will not meet my Waterloo. Why will you not touch me? Where is that woman? Where is she that wants to threaten my child? Where is she? Nonsense.
Mama, it's okay. They are gone.
They are gone. What kind of rubbish is that?
Mama, it is okay. Come on, let's go.
She's here abusing you.
Why are you holding her? Mama, go now. Allow her go now. Allow her to go and fight. Mama, go and fight.
See, person will no fit pass. Chima! See my car! My car! Look at what the... Ah! The only designer car in the country.
Mama, it's okay.
Give him, it's okay. Jamie came on spell. Oga Google Mota. Hi! Oh!
Mama, it's okay.
Hey!
It's okay.
My car! My car! There's no other car like this in this town. This boy must pay. Ah, Jamie! My daughter and her husband to be, myself and the police officer with, the rest of them behind. We're here to ask you to please ask this young man by name Jamie K, something like that.
Young man by name.
That he should please tell us how much he feels he has spent on my family. So that my son-in-law here can refund him everything.
Exactly.
Whatever he gained when he was dating my daughter, he can keep as his benefit.
Whatever I spent on you, I cannot qualify it monetarily, but it's okay. I'll let it pass. Go.
Babe, what's up? What is it? Why are you giving me this attitude? And besides, why are you dressed like this by this time of the day?
You are very stupid to ask me that. Can you imagine? Why am I dressed like this by this time of the day? Is it your dress? Is it your body? Dear Nancy, just leave me alone, no. You have the guts to introduce your girlfriend to my guy. No problem.
Babe, don't tell me you're still on this. Babe, stop this now. Babe, we've been friends.
Hey! Don't even try to touch me.
I thought you saw my friend and liked her. How do you expect me to stop them? They are adults.
I thought you saw my friend and liked her. They are adults. So you cannot tell your girlfriend that a boy has a girlfriend. You can't tell her. No problem. In this town, it is you and I. Bet it. And Nancy, bet it. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Idiot. Hey! But this is all my fault, eh? This is all my fault. Abo is a coward. Yes, but he's taking care of me and he's giving me money. No problem, oh! No problem! I will deal with you. Abo is all my friend and like her. No problem.
There is nothing anybody is telling me that will make sense. The only solution to this is that she marries me.
How can you enjoy this marriage if you force her to marry you? Marriage is but when you want to force her now, you will never enjoy that marriage. So back up from that marriage. And walk.
Jamike, I am here because of two things. One, because of God. And two, because of your late father, old soldier, my brother. And this is the last time I'm going to talk on this matter. Leave that girl alone. Let God be the judge.
I said it. Yeah.
Huh?
No.
I know that you have a heart of fire. But on the other hand, you are a good man. A very good man. You did all you did out of love for her. But she wants to take it this way. Now, let her go.
No. No, Ichi, I won't do that. What else do I have besides her? Who else do I have? I've invested everything I have into that girl. My finances, my emotions, my time, everything. And you're telling me to leave her? Mba.
Now marriage you by force.
Brother, please.
Okay, I'm not going by force.
Brother, please. Don't do this. Everyone is telling you to back off. You never can tell what God is trying to save you from.
Exactly. Your sister says it well. Let me tell you. Even if you force her to marry you, the church will not wed both of you. The elders, I mean her kinsmen, will not take drinks from you. They won't collect your drink. Huh? Hey. There is a strong reason why God is trying to save you from this marriage. My son, no, I am an elder. If you want me to kneel down to plead with you, I will, but take heed to my words.
Ichie, Mama, God, but for now, my no is no.
That stupid Jamike! He had the guts to mess up my car, the only car that I had, because it's not past tense.
Mama, easy. You mean he had the guts to break your windscreen?
Yes, now! He did it like this, with this big knife, and shattered my windscreen. I even took it to the mechanic, but they said I cannot fix it again.
You serious?
Yes.
Mama Zugobiko, stop crying. It's only a car.
Yes, but it's not there anymore now. I will be going to school late. It's only much time.
Mama, you know what? I will replace your car for you.
Eh?
Yes, I'll get you a new one.
Please, if it's a joke, stop it. Don't get me anything, because...
Mommy, you did not ask, but you are so unhappy. Yes. I will buy you a new car, because...
Okay, thank you.
That boy needs to be locked up again.
No, sister, we don't need to do that again. All we need to do is just to look for a way to settle this whole thing. I've made up my mind. Since he wants it this way, I won't marry him.
Baby, I am happy to hear you say that. But first, I want to take you away from this village.
Mama, you don't have any problem. Okay. I would send an officer to go fetch the mother and the sister. Good. I know how to treat riffraffs like that.
Riffraffs.
Mama, worry not. Oh,
I will not.
All will be well.
It is well.
It's okay.
Darling, thank you.
Mama, we have to start going.
Yes, because it looks like it's going to rain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama.
Hey.
I'll call you.
Okay, I'll call you. Did you hear that? I call you.
Okay, I'll call you.
Mama. Okay. Bye-bye, no. We'll call you. Don't forget to call us.
This big matter, as long as they are wearing black with that thing,
Dear, please now, shake your waist when you're coming so they will know we have arrived. Move your waist to the left, to the right. Carpenter know they like that kind of shaky, Abby. Hey! What is this? How could he be? Hey! Oh, his food is getting cold. And we need to get to the meeting they invited us.
I don't know.
I don't want to hear anybody concerning my son. No. I don't want anybody concerning my son. No.
Mama, if you take a close look at brother, you will see that he's getting slim by the day. This is really troubling him. I feel so much for him.
Norma, it is only God that will judge between me and Agnes. Let Dikeh go ahead and marry whoever she chooses for her. Let them leave my son alone. But one day, I know that she will realize that my son has some good sides. But before then, it will be late for her. Just my prayers for my son to get back to his business. Get on his feet.
I pray so too, Mama. It's okay.
Don't be worried.
It's fine.
I could
Let's just wait for him here.
I greet you all. We are here today. Please, Agnes, tell us why you and your daughter summoned us all here today.
Iche, thank you. My daughter and her husband to be, myself and the police officer with, the rest of them behind. We're here to ask you to please ask this young man by name Jamike, something like that. That he should please tell us how much he feels he has spent on my family, so that my son-in-law here can refund him everything.
Exactly.
Whatever he gained when he was dating my daughter, he can keep as his benefit.
I think this is good. Ugodia, what do you and your son say?
Thank you, my elder. My son is here, so he can speak for himself. Now, tell them what you want.
Hi.
Biko.
What to yali gum?
Rapia no. What's in the rapia?
Mama, why debe gum na this condition?
Oh, Agnes. Agnes, the better again.
Please, okay, why is she calling my name? Look, if on and want not check.
Where debe gum na this condition?
Jamie, come wait for that Nike.
Oh, again, I'm so again.
Dikeh, is this what you want?
Yes. Tell us how much you have spent on me the whole time so that we can settle it here and now.
Hey!
I think they have done something noble. Dikeh, I advise you to do as they said.
It is well, since that is your decision. Whatever I spent on you, I cannot qualify it monetarily, but it's okay. I'll let it pass. Go. Go.
Well, our elders, you all have heard him. I actually came here with my family to make peace. Mama, you know we came to settle this amicably. But it is obvious his arrogance will not let him be reasonable enough. Ndiche, I do not want this boy here to harass my wife any day. I do not want him to come out and claim that my wife cheated on him or used him in any way and dumped him. Because that was why I came prepared. This is 5 million naira.
Cash.
For him.
What? This boy, I can now. This boy, I can now.
Imano, what if I get me here? Imano, what if I get me? Mpunye this boy, I can't go put Tiana, but don't be an here. And what if I get me?
Jamike.
5 million naira. Jamike. 5 million.
Jamike, talk.
Mama.
Jamike.
Meet me in the house.
I'm going with you.
Jamike.
My elders.
Jamike.
My elders. You have seen them leaving. I am a police officer. And if he dares Dikeh and her family, I will deal with him. Yes. I will deal with him.
You will deal with them. She will deal with them. Yes. Hey, oh come.
This 5 million. If I'm able, now like that. You people, we will keep it. All the conway hongo. Anya doye, we will give it to him. Huh?
Let's go. So I keep it in my house till further notice. Police officer, please put this in the car.
I
will send some money. Let's all go.
Mama, how did it go?
Your brother detected the money they offered him for compensation, so he doesn't want it.
He did well. Let her go. Since she has seen a rich man to marry her, let him marry her.
Hey! We'll go there. We'll go there. Why? Why? Hey! How could you reject such money? Hey!
Ichi, I'm heartbroken.
It's alright.
I feel very bad, Mama, but it is well.
It's okay.
It is well. Let her go with her money.
Huh? No! No! If you don't need it, your mother needs it.
I don't need it.
Huh?
No.
5 million is a big money. Please, my son. Biko, go and collect that money. Go and take it. And use it to start a new life. Hey!
Ichi, true love is not for sale.
Exactly. True love is not for sale. Let them go with the money. But I will ensure one thing, that my son does not disturb them again. Let them go. Let Dikeh go and enjoy. But there is God. And that God is a just God. He will judge them.
5 million! Hi!
I know it's not easy. But don't worry. Don't worry.
Mama, we have to start leaving. How? Mama, don't worry. Since he has refused to take the money, so Wadira, I will set a trap for him. And if he falls into it, I will nail him.
Auntie Adani, see, I know him very well. I know Jamike. He has a heart of fire. He didn't mean all those things he said back there. I'm just scared he will still want to come back to hurt me.
Oh, no, he won't. He won't.
Baby, it's okay. He will not hurt you. You're living with us, right? You are. This officer here will take care of Mama and Aloma. You will be okay.
You have done what is important. If that fool tries anything stupid, he will pay with his head.
My children, I am so grateful for all you've done for me today. I am happy. As for the 5 million that is already inside my room, I will take care of it. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go and put it in the bank. I know Jamike. Apart from having the heart of fire, he has the heart of longer throat. He will come back for that money. So I'll keep it for him so that once he comes, do you understand? But that reminds me now. A boy. You remember, you promised to get me a car. Do you know I've been going late to school?
Mama Biko, this is not the time for that.
Relax, I'm talking to a boy.
It's okay. Mama, you can take 3 million from that. fine. Or I can also get you.
Jamike will kill me. Let's leave that money for Jamike. You give me another 3 million, then I'll buy a car. Please, one more thing. I want the tires to be as big as your own. I didn't want to ask for that one because it's too big.
Okay, Mama. Baby, we'll see to that. Me and my wife will get back to you and make sure you get your car. Yes. You will.
I will.
Yes,
Mama. A boy.
Mama.
Mama. What is your problem? Because one more. I want to consider vice. Keep it up on easy. Each year, boy, say, oh, no, no, no. Rapo no wage wani komelo waya. Ika busyo
One. I'm not happy. I saw this coming. I knew it. I told you then that the kid doesn't love you. Eh? No, I will not take this thing. Look at how we just wasted the opportunity of becoming 5 million naira richer. And I mean,
Asondo, thank you for coming. But there's something I'm planning and I need you to help me.
Huh. Say it. Whatever you tell me to do for you now, I am ready. 100% ready to do anything. I will not just let this thing go down like that. For what, Kwame? Off. Just say it.
Okay.
Just say anything you want me to do. I'm ready to do it. Who is Beke? She will not go free. She will not.
Our beautiful wife to be. You know what? I don't want you to worry much. As long as you have my sister and I, we got you anytime, any day.
Thank you very much. I want to thank you for the way you came to rescue my husband and I from the hands of Jamike.
I like when she says my husband and I.
As someone, you don't have to worry. Yes. Your mother and sister are protected.
Yes.
I told you, right? I told you, champion, just there's nothing you can do to your family. There's nothing to offer you.
I'm going to get me something to drink.
Okay.
No, Auntie. It's okay. Let me get it for you.
Relax. Let him do it.
Oh, Abba will get you something to drink. Baby, I'm here for you. Don't mind them. Let me get them something to drink. Do you want to? It's okay. I'll get it.
Okay.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Feel relaxed. This is your home.
Hey! Hey!
Mama, what is it? These people are really serious. They are serious.
Mama, which people?
Agnes's in-law now. They came in convoy. Entourage, threats, heading to her house.
Mama, are you serious?
Yes.
So they went to call the police?
Okay, phone on one.
Mama, I know they would think my brother will come with what to them.
Agnes called police on my son. Agnes, we shall see.
Agnes, we shall see. Mama, we shall see. Mama, I have to go there. Go where? I want to see how things will turn out.
If you go there, they will arrest you.
Mama, they won't. I have.
No, Mama, no, don't go anywhere.
I have to go, Mama.
No, Mama, I have to go. If they arrest, I won't come back. I won't come there to look for you.
I just pray that God will bless my son again. Agnes, she
want to eat everything. One she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? She want to chop everything. I tire. She want to eat everything. I tire. Ichie boy say ono nana Rapo no wadi wani Komelu waya Ika busyo mwenye Mabula musu Onye ego nega nyetalo eji amugwa Malupa no kenyada no 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 Ewa mono muli Wanyinka She want to eat everything Wanyinka She want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this?
Where are you from? It has happened. God has done it for me.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
They paid you?
They paid me!
Jesus Christ!
They paid me! I never believed this insurance thing works so.
Huh? So Stella was right?
Very right. Osondo, I am 3 million naira richer.
Hey! When she was telling all this thing, I didn't know it was true.
I did not believe it. Look at it.
Hey! Nah, I've already started this thing. One day, we go drink time.
Love shop, we go back. I want to carry stuff.
You want to carry a man? Alright, back.
Mama, that girl is evil. You needed to see the way they were happy there.
Norma, let her be happy. Let her be. I know your brother is happy wherever he is in the city. Alright? Let her go. That would be the best thing that happened to your brother. Not to have married a woman that doesn't love him. It would have been disastrous. You know that.
Mama, you're right. But she will not go free from this. She won't.
Don't ever say that again. Did you hear me? Don't say that about anybody. Not if anything happens to her, they blame your brother that he caused it. Please don't do that. I know your brother will find a good woman that will love him. That will accept him for who he is. And help him manage his problem. Because you know he has a problem. Yes, help him manage his anger. That should be your prayer for your brother. And not for you to curse anybody. Alright?
Okay, Mama.
I don't want to sound negative, so that you not say I don't wish you well. But Sister Chika, if you listen to me, don't go back to your bad life. It's not be good for the family. You're still a very young and beautiful girl. You will still see somebody that will get married to you. So don't worry, Sister Chika.
Well, it's alright, no problem. Let me see any day she will call me to come and fetch water for her. I will know if I'm not even her I'm not even her errand. Am I her errand girl? Let the city girl he wants to marry go and fetch water for the mother. I'm tired, so pissed.
It's okay, Sister Chika. Remember you said this thing the last time we talked. You said it and you still went to fetch water for them. So stop saying all these things you're saying. But it's okay, yes, Sister Chika.
My mind is made up. Okay. My mind is made up because the guy wants to marry another, so I'm not even interested in them anymore. Should fuck off. Go back to my city and mind my sexy look. Tired of this village life.
My God is good.
Honestly.
He has done it again. Go. Thank you, Stella. You know what? Order anything you want and I will pay for it.
Yes, sir.
Jamike, I am not requesting for more than what I'm taking now. My happiness is that most people in your line now believe in insurance.
Indeed, they have. They have seen with their eyes.
Insurance, honestly, let me tell you, as I am now, I can't wait to insure my life.
You have to.
My goat at home. Everything, my parents.
Everything insurable.
My grandmothers. I'm going to drink this drink. I will insure it.
But really, who would have believed that it would work?
Honestly.
You could remember when I keep coming to your office. You say come back today, come back tomorrow.
I didn't know now. It is well. Thank God that eventually I agreed.
Yes, sir.
Thank God.
You know what? I'll surprise you.
Really?
Bet me I will surprise you. Barman! More drinks, more drinks!
Pata drink, pata, when you la bouteille. Insurance is covered. This drink.
Hey!
Help! Oh, yum. Dikeh. Akele woya. Woya, mom. Hey! Go jongo. Ababa. Ababa, young mom.
Mama.
Boy, come matter, they will complete a man.
Mama, I'm very happy to hear you say that for the first time ever.
Mama, you are welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. I am your mother-in-law. This is your home. Ini Edo, you are welcome.
Yes,
you are welcome.
Mama, your son now is a married man. And I'm sure you are happy now.
Very, very happy. Okay, you want your and she's a very calm woman.
Yes, very calm.
Very calm. Mama, become take care of my son for me. You know now? See, you know what they call Impoj Iroko tree?
Yes, Mama.
He is the only Iroko tree that I, Umenwa, planted in my husband's house. That's still keeping me in this house. If anyone uproot him, take care of him for me.
Mama.
Mama.
Mama, you don't have a problem, okay? I will take care of him like my own son.
What's the son? What's the son?
Taking care of him is very important. Yes, very important. Because if you give him any headache, there's trouble.
Sister, don't worry. Don't worry.
You know we don't joke with our baby brother.
She knows, don't worry, sister. It won't get to that. She won't do that. Hey, Mama. So you will not come here for anymore. Mama, call me Patrick. Patrick the man. Patrick the man.
Your bride.
I got one pool.
And I love you too.
You're looking at me.
Why are you there?
You see now I'm enjoying.
You are really enjoying. When will I ever be like you?
You want to be like me? You need to train your children very well. Then you will join our enjoyment committee.
I will.
See how you're looking at this meat. It's
a thing of joy. Let me enjoy with you. It's a thing
Mama,
of joy.
I'm not eating. There's another piece in the kitchen. You eat it. Oh. Live chicken. I'll cook it along the night. How much is the money?
It is 6,000.
Only?
Mama, you're so ungrateful. It's 6,000 naira. You're saying only. Did you work for the money? You even took all the money that displayed sister.
Did your sister and her husband complain? What's your problem? We can go and put the bag inside my room.
Shy! Hi, Agnes. Your daughter is in a very safe hand. You are blessed.
I know. See, there's still some meat left by this side.
Mama, you're not giving me meat too. Thank you. Hi.
I said your own is in the kitchen.
Nancy, seriously, I am tired. I don't know what to do. This is 6 months since he came to pay my bride price. In fact, I'm just regretting getting into this marriage in the first place. I don't know what I was thinking.
Babe, you need to take it easy.
Take what easy? You know my mother, you know her kind of person. She has been calling on the phone asking when he's going to come home for the traditional rites and the white wedding.
I thought you said he has a lawsuit to settle.
My sister, if that was the issue, it would have been fine. That is not the problem. He said his sisters have not decided on a date yet. Can you imagine that?
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
So he cannot on his own decide when he wants his white wedding and traditional marriage to hold?
That is it, oh. That is what I have been saying. Me, I have just made up my mind. I am going to start reacting. I will take things forcefully, anyhow, anyway. I'm tired.
You need to take it easy, please. I don't want you to start regretting this marriage. People take it easy. People are going to laugh at you.
My sister, let them laugh. Let them laugh. I'm fed up.
Don't worry, I will make sure everything is settled. Okay?
Biko, I really need you to help me out on this one. Biko.
Don't worry. By the way, where is Dikeh? I've not seen her.
I don't know, but she earlier mentioned she'll be visiting her friend, so I don't know. She should.
Don't worry, you will win the case, okay?
Oh, Nancy, you're here. Good evening. Baby, you're back. How are you? I'm fine. How was it?
Oh, how was the case?
The case is just that
Madam, where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
You went to see your friend? How? Don't you know that there's a very big gap between a single lady and a married woman? You don't know that?
Sister, she only said she went to visit her friend and her lodge mate.
Please, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you don't have anything to do, you look for something. Make the house clean everywhere, make sure there's food in this house. Okay, tell me. What did you prepare for us to eat?
I didn't make any fresh food, but I have stew in the refrigerator.
Can you just imagine this? I have stew in the... So you don't have anything to do. Begin. You went to see your friend in her lodge.
Auntie, what is this now? What have I done? Why are you shouting at me? I haven't done anything wrong.
Are you talking back at me?
Biko.
No, she was actually talking back at me. She wasn't. Sister Biko.
Biko, I'm begging you, leave this thing. You know I can cook. Let me just go and cook for you.
Don't tell me that! Don't tell me that! Because if you say this, I'll slap you here. Now, you listen to me. Get in there, go and prepare something for us. If you don't do that, I'll slap you. I will not tolerate such in this house. Not in my brother's house. Never! I will not tolerate it. What rubbish? What's all this nonsense now? Are you here for beauty? Go and prepare something for us to eat. What nonsense?
If I'm a worker, yes,
Who is around, though?
Hi, brother!
Where's Mama? Mama!
Who has this car?
It's mine. God has blessed us. This is our car.
My own car?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
This boot is filled up with things I bought for you. Yes, Mama.
Hey! What kind of?
Yes, Mama.
Wow!
You got him, Mama, I go by you. Yes, Mama.
Hey! This car is beautiful.
Thank you, my dear.
I now have a car in my house.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. Amen.
So who is this?
Sorry, Stella, come.
Oh, Stella, come.
Meet my mother. Mama, this is Stella, my fiancée, the girl I want to marry and your future daughter-in-law. She helped me bounce back. She has been so wonderful to me.
So this is my own. Thank
yes,
you,
Mama.
You know fine thing. Mama, you see, I told you. I told that this my son is a good person.
Yes.
That God does not sleep.
At all.
And God will answer his prayers.
Yes,
Yeah, Dikeh. What is this I'm hearing? Huh? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Now you listen. This should be the first and the last time I get any report about you. Okwinanu!
Sister Golibe, I haven't done anything that will warrant Sister Danny calling you here. I didn't do anything.
You are very mad. In fact, you are very stupid. Now you listen to me. Nobody dares toy with my brother's heart. Do you understand me? And are you saying that what you did is not enough for us to call this meeting? Is that what you're saying?
That's not what she's saying. It's okay already. Say no.
Okay, please. This is a woman-to-woman talk. We have to trash it woman to woman. Please just go inside.
Huh?
I said we go inside. We need to deal with this thing woman to woman.
Sister, what she has said. You people have said enough already. She has made you.
Move it.
You're leaving? No, I'm not. I'll wait in the room.
Hello, madam.
What is that? Please. You are leaving? Oh. So you want our brother to disobey us? Is that what you're teaching him? The next time you try this, you'll see the other part of me.
Madam, sit down. Sit down, let me give you the rule in this family. Sit down, let me make you understand. You need to understand. Sit down.
Mama, why are you bothering yourself? Sister has already made the mistake. You can't change anything.
I don't understand it. Why must her boy be a boy? No wonder he's still answering a boy at this age. He just wants to stay a boy. Why would he allow his sisters to come and control his home?
You didn't hear what sister said. She said they were the ones that trained him. And they made him rich. So why not? They can control him the way they want. Mama, Jamike is not a bad person. The only problem I know he has is anger.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't you know that kind of anger can cause somebody to kill?
And he didn't kill sister for the 2 years they dated. Mama, if only sister knew, she would have worked on him. At least he could change because of her. And they would have made a good couple. Mama, if that boy was your son-in-law, you know nobody will come here and mess with us. You know.
Oh, God. It's already too late now. This is like crying over spilled milk. Now my daughter is suffering. Because her boy wants to stay a boy. Be a boy.
Mama, you know what you told me that God answers prayers is true. I believe that now. Do you know since I met Stella, I have hardly gotten angry.
Who said there is no God?
There is God though.
Hey! And he answers prayers.
Yes!
Mama, what matters in everything is love. If anyone loves you, they will understand your problems and know how to make up with your inadequacies.
Okay,
but if they don't love you, Mama, even if you're a saint, they will still find fault in you.
That is true. That is true, Mama. Where are all those people, Mandinchi? All of them that said I'm not a good person because I was hot-tempered. They should come and see me now a changed man.
Let me welcome you well to my house.
Oh, Mama, because you came out. Honey, let's go inside and freshen up. Hey, Mama!
I am tired. How
did I end up marrying a baby husband? What was I even thinking? Who would believe that my own husband cannot even make one single decision in his own house? His sisters now make orders in the house because they raised him and made him who he is today.
You see, that was the reason other girls ran away from him. But you said you needed a calm guy. I didn't want to tell you before you will say I'm not a good friend.
See, you would have told me. At least you would have tried to stop me. Now I know the value of a man that stands his ground.
Yes, you're right. Every family needs that one person that other family fears. But what if his sisters dies? Who will stand for them? Definitely not him, because he's not man enough. See why I like Jamiki, huh? He's not bad after all. He would have made a good husband. If you had agreed to marry him, maybe he would have changed for you.
See, how did I end up like this? How did I make such a mistake? I am tired. I'm tired. Please. I can't even say a word. I can't even breathe. I can't smile. I can't do anything.
Easy.
See, I'm tired.
Easy myself.
How can Dikeh want Dikeh from America start suffering at the early stage of our wedding? Hey! Trouble here. You go there, trouble. Trouble. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? Okay, look at Jamiki. I didn't like him because of his temper. But he was loving and kind. Or was he a kind of boy? He's a boy. He's just a boy. He has the money, yes, and he loves my daughter. But he cannot protect her. What kind of marriage is this? Hey! Hello, my family.
Mama, you're still here. You haven't gone to school.
I don't want to believe that you made a mistake in allowing your sister marry that.
Mama,
it must be a mistake that we made.
Anything about this marriage counts me out. You and sister made a mistake. Don't tell me anything about it. Meanwhile, you are still here. You have not gone to school. You want to go late again. You know they have reported you to the Ministry of Education.
I don't understand it. You know what is paining me? Is that they haven't even finished what they are supposed to do. The marriage rights. I can't finish, Shira. Eh? But these people, they better not make me come to the city. Hey!
Things don't work as we planned. Life is mystery, but remember, the ways of God is different from men. Onye chinazo, because you see can bere, onye chinamele bere, koge mere bere, onye chike mere mere, koge mere mere.
EJ love on the street. Those are village. Uncle, tell me, can you do Uncle Dikeh is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Hey! Uncle Dikeh is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Close to village, you. Kineme love, oh. Close to village, you. Kineme love, oh. Hey!
Nothing on earth lasts forever.
Madam Principal, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm not fine.
I told you I'll be coming to carry your car at Jamike's point. Instead, you give it to another person.
But I told you I needed cash. And since you could not come up with the money, I had to give it to the person that came with physical cash.
Agnes is the bad. Agnes, Afofigisi. Yes, I understand. I understand. I know I'm a poor man and I have money. Even with the big money that your in-law brought for you, you still want more. What are you saving that money for? Do you have a male child? You don't have a male child. You won't okay. You know? Very soon, your second daughter will be getting married. Who is going to inherit all that money? I am waiting for the day you will die. You should just die. I will steal everything. I will come into your house and steal everything.
What makes you think you will die before me?
Don't just worry. I am waiting for your death. I have told you.
I'm also waiting for your own death. Let me buy you one. Let me buy you.
It will hit you.
You will die before me.
It will hit you.
I know if your poverty will kill you. I know Mama who gave away. You're pushing another road talking to me anyhow. What kind of rubbish is that? How can I even teach the children? Get them out of my way. You will die before me. I know if your Mama.
Hey, listen.
You didn't tell me you were calling.
No, what are you doing?
I said, you not tell me you were calling.
And you did not answer my question. What are you doing?
Oh, I was just sleeping in the living room. How are you?
I asked you, what were you doing and where is your wife?
Sister, I already answered you. I told you I'm sleeping in the living room. My wife, she went to work. She went to where she was doing her primary assignment.
She went to where she's doing her primary assignment and you are sweeping the house for her. And probably you're going to...
No, you're getting it wrong. Okay. Sweeping the house for us. So that is our house together. So what happened is we actually we woke up late and then she was running late to work and she tried to beg me to sweep the house. I did not let her beg. So when she tried to beg, I stopped her and I volunteered to do it myself. So
you volunteered? Boy, does she know how much I spent to bring her to this town just to be close to you as her husband? She went to her PPA and you are sweeping. Later now you will fix your food. Boy!
Sister.
Hey!
Sister, why are you getting upset? Sister, I am not complaining.
You're not complaining?
Sister, it is my sweeping, no?
Okay.
Baby, sincerely, I am tired. I am so tired. I've had it up to here. I regret going into this marriage in the first place.
No. Babe, please don't say anything like that. If I may ask, why?
Why wouldn't it end? Am I married to a boy or his sisters? I can't even tell. I've been living in hell in that house. My only happiness is that I haven't gone through with the traditional marriage and the white wedding. That is the only thing that's just making me happy. Because his sister is gone. I think she's gone. Hello, sister. Yes, I'm in school already. What? Sister, I said I'm almost... She cut the call.
What did she say?
She wants me to come back home.
Why?
call her and ask her to come back? You want her to leave her job?
Dikeh does not. She does not even have the guts to disobey me. She has to come back. She asked you to sweep, and probably fix your food. As what now? Who is she?
Sister.
Cello, one name, Cello. Does she know how much I pay to make this marriage work? Let her also know, make it as a sound of notes to her to know that she's not just here to enjoy your money. She's here to work, and she must work.
Sister, Adane, did I complain to you? Did I complain to you? Did I even call you?
I warned her. I warned her that nobody will maltreat my brother. Good morning. How are you? Are you mad? You left my brother to be sweeping for you as what? Hey! Baby loss! You are very stupid. You are mad. Come on, get out.
I don't know, Guinea. Guinea for Melody, what did she do to you? Go get me!
So, do you know how much I have invested in you? You left my brother to be sweeping for you as your maid. I warned you not to. That no woman can maltreat my brother. I am here for him.
Sister, what did I do to you?
Hi. Obim.
Are you talking back at me? I will slap you.
Sister, no. Get it for.
Why is she talking back at me?
Get it for. What is she do to you?
I did not bring her here for design. She came here to work and she will work. Not to work to go to where I don't know. You are very stupid. You say that I will slap you. You are mad. What's my business? She came to this house, a man like this house, for her to sweep and do other house activities. Not to come and I'm going to where? You are mad. You are very stupid.
I'm going to speak to you.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I have been sending for you for some weeks now, and you never bother to come and look for me. Why? Is anything the matter? And
not that. I've been busy, as you can see. I'm starting my exams.
Mamo, shy. Ngbano, please help me rush down to the market square. Tell Mama okay to give you the fish.
Mama, I can't go there right now. I'm busy at home. I have something to do for my mother.
Chika, it's unlike you. It's like you're no longer happy with me. Mom, I never tell Elahia or a boy, you mom, not to marry you. You know I love you so much. I never discuss anything like that. Because it's written all over you that you are no longer happy with me.
Not that, Mama. It's just that I'm busy.
Let me go.
Into this. How did I find myself in this kind of situation? Jamaica, I miss you. I miss you so much.
Baby, you're awake. How did you?
covered me up.
Yes, I noticed the weather became cold and you were a bit shivering, so I brought the duvet to cover you up. I've also prepared your meal, your favorite. Would you like to have it now?
Jamiki, you prepared me a meal?
Of course. But of course you know I'll do anything for you, or anything. Except that thing doesn't exist. I will even die for you. I'll go all the way for you. You know that.
Thank you. Thank you for loving me. I just want you to be patient with me. Give me time. I know that one day I will love you same way you love me.
You don't even need to love me back. Listen, I have enough love to cover for you and I. I just need you to give me a little more time to turn and become a better man and work on my temper. Okay?
I will. And that food of yours, okay. I hope it tastes good.
You need to taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I go ahead?
Yeah.
I washed and hung my clothes before you. Why would you take off my clothes from the wire and hang your own clothes?
You the mad? No, something they want for head. If you know say your name na Dikeh, try come out all these clothes so I hang for this wire.
Simon, you have spaces here to hang
try
your own
come
clothes.
out them.
See, you have another space here. Why would you remove my own clothes from here and hang yours?
Baby. What's going on here?
See you. I hung my clothes, went into the house, only for me to come out. I found out that he removed my clothes and hung his. And that's just, you still have other spaces there.
I know they talk too much. Try come out them. Guy, you dey mad. Is something wrong with your head? Oga, you dey look for trouble, oh. You dey, Oga, I go enter you. You go enter me. You dey look for trouble, oh. Wait, I go.
I hear you. See, I don't tell you the most important thing.
Excuse me.
That guy.
Bro, excuse me. We're about leaving.
I don't tell you. Okay. See, tell him, make you walk out because you are from there to go. So enter that area to go.
Bros, I said we want to leave.
See, you better tell him. I dey come that area tomorrow morning. See, if I get time, if I see him, see, I go just murder him. You know how they be now. You feel me? If I come there tomorrow morning, what I go do, man? You no go believe him.
Henry, he said you should come down. We want to go out.
You the crazy? Dikeh? You the mad? On how you go come and interrupt my call? You know this I don't call.
What do you mean you're on a call? Is this your room? Don't you have a room inside? What do you mean I'm interrupting your call? Go, come down from the car so we could leave.
Hey. Now me, we be small. Now you they talk to like this. Dikeh, you don't fear for this area. Now you they talk. See, you they talk to me like that.
No.
Wait, small. What is the meaning of this? Why are you harassing him? He simply told you to come down from the car so we could leave. What is your problem?
You want to know my problem for
yes,
this area?
I want to know your problem. What is it?
No, bros, I beg. Calm down, I beg. You know, she's not really shouting at you. It's just...
Listen, there is no need for you to say anything to him. You will leave this place. Why are you begging him? This is just a foolish man.
You the man!
Hey, no, bros, wait. Make I tell you.
I love that one. Alright. You see the foolishness to be for this area around this one. Dikeh, you open your mouth. You take the top of your mouth. Talk to me, man, foolish man.
Henry, what is the meaning of this now? Please just come down from the car so we can go. I'm begging you, please.
Bros, I beg. She know me now. I beg, no vex. It's not like she's shouting at you. It's just the nature of her voice. Yes, just that's how she sounds.
Nature of her voice?
I am begging you in God's name. We are very peaceful people. Just come down and allow us go. Be cool.
Dikeh, what I know for this area? Okay, I go play around, make you shoot. I go plan now big show.
Hey!
See. Make I do am small.
What are you doing?
Hey, no, Ross, pick up.
Why are you begging me?
You never reach like that.
Boy, why are you begging me?
What
is wrong with you? Why are you begging me? Small. What is the meaning of this?
Ross, Biko, remove your hand from your bag. Please, Biko.
Give me some money.
Please. Biko, my mother said I'm Iroko. I only Iroko. Biko,
I bring you down.
Please. Biko. Hey, please, leave your hand in your bag. Biko, please, Biko, I beg you. Ignore her. Biko, please.
Alright,
Please, let us go.
Hey, okay.
Let us go, Biko, let him take his time. Hey!
Okay, go collect now.
Okay, you guys collect now. Come on. No. We are peaceful people. Don't worry.
Don't say woman there.
My sister will take care of us. Biko. Biko. Hey.
Hello, my guy. How far? I want idiot to when they come my area, come they collect all those malaria reducer them. You know those things, all those pumpkin leaves. You go just put and they collect.
Dikeh, you have made a mistake. I made a terrible mistake marrying this man. I think the best thing for me to do is to leave this house. I can't stay here anymore.
Dikeh, mom, talk to me. Did he drive you away?
Mama, he did not say.
No, Denizina.
I had to pack my things and leave the house. Mama, I am no longer interested in that marriage.
Kuskona, don't even let anyone hear that nonsense. Eh?
Mama, I married a feeding bottle husband.
Onang feeding bottle?
Mama, no. I wasn't married to him. I was married to his sisters. I have been living in hell in that house for the past few months. Please, where is Jamike? I need to see him. I need to apologize to him. Even if he won't take me back, I just need to see him. Where will I find him?
Jamike is no longer available. Jamike that is getting married very soon. Don't even bother yourself. If you see Jamike's girlfriend, she is so beautiful. And I heard Jamike is now very, very rich. The sister said she's coming. The sister said he's coming this evening. I will soon go and meet him.
Must you tell her how pretty the girl is? Eh? After all, Dikeh is even finer than her. Okay, they look almost the same, but... it's okay, don't cry. I know we've made a mistake, but it's okay. It's alright. Hey, you start looking for someone else.
Mama, please. What did I ever do to you? I have had enough of your problems. Dikeh this, Dikeh that. Won't I rest? Look at what you put me through. Everything I'm going through today is because of you. What do you mean? What do you mean it's because... What are you asking?
Please, just let me be. You should have stayed there, and over the feeding bottle, or you give him your own feeding bottle.
Mama, please. If you have not complained that Jamike was always shouting at you.
Mama, Dikeh! Mama!
Don't push me, John. I'm the one that sent you to marry whoever.
Besides, look at Chief. This man that married 3 wives that all died. He's now single and he has money.
Mama.
Okay. What about
you
Jonathan?
See where you have caught.
Jonathan came back from Akwa Ibom. He's into oil. That's palm oil. Before you start thinking it's oil and gas.
Your visitor has come.
Which one?
Where do I put her bag?
In your room now.
I'm taking it to your room.
After all, the boy did not drive you away. You could have managed with the sisters. He didn't even come back with the car he bought for you. We'll come and look for somebody else. Johnson, I came back.
Aboy, how dare you disobey us? Now let me let you know something. Your sister and I brought you up. We made you who you are. Let me tell you something. That girl that left, she's not coming back to this house. As long as she had the guts to leave this house, she's not coming back. No way.
And yes, Tell her to return everything we bought for her. If she fails to do that, the police cell will be our portion. Straight!
Are you two done? Adanne, are you done? Golibe, are you done? Because this is it. This is the point where this ends. This is the point where you stop talking to me like that. This is the point where you stop telling me what to do with my life. With my life, Adanne. I am done taking orders from you. From now henceforth, you do not tell me what to do with my life. Do you understand? Ever! Enough is enough! How dare you! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Do not ever! Adanne, if you try that, I will slap you back. I will slap you again and again and again! What is the meaning of this? Enough! Both of you have ruined my life. You've been controlling me like I'm your play toys. You tell me what to do with my own life. Am I the only young man with sisters who care about him? Am I?
Abon! Abon, you know what? Are you mad? How can you talk to your older sister like that?
And that is the last time you talk to me like that. The very last time you will speak to me like that in my own house. You know what? I think you two have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house. Now. Get out!
Aboy, you're asking us to leave? You're asking your elder sister to leave your house? I don't blame you, because I have helped you to win the case. But I tell you, one day you shall look for me. Let's go.
Ah, no, you lie. You lie, Adanne.
Let's go.
I will never look for you. Do you understand? If I'm going to die, let me die. Get out of my house. Get out. Go. Get out of my house. What nonsense? Enough.
I prepared everything now. You can't move already.
Mama, as soon as I get back to the city now, I've set up the plans. We're coming straight.
I hope you have told Okoye.
I will. I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
This one is my own.
Mama, I keep thanking God for bringing her my way. If you know the kind of impact she's had in my life, I no longer am hot-tempered. She has reduced it drastically. When it comes, she knows what to do, what to tell me, and then it just goes all down. And she has the patience, the tolerance. She's just got sent.
I'll miss you too. No, you have seen it.
Yes, Mama.
Learning from how.
Mama, we have to rush now. The journey is long.
Yes.
Yes.
Please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. The way I and my mother treated you. I'm sorry. Heaven bears me witness that I loved you from the deepest parts of my heart. I loved you with every fiber in me. But I wasn't patient enough to help you with your anger problems. Please, Jamike. Please, Jamike, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get up, Dikeh.
No.
No, just get up, please. Honestly, I've forgiven you. From the bottom of my heart, I have forgiven you and have moved on. You know, sometimes what we die for isn't actually what God meant for us. But it is okay. I bear you no grudge whatsoever, you and your family. I have a clean heart towards you. When you come. Meet my wife, Stella. She's been awesome. She has made me a better man. She understands my temperament and she has helped me work on it. She's tolerant, she's patient, she's God-sent. But you and I are still friends. Anytime.
Sometimes things don't work as we planned. Did you
You go on your own. Oh, gonna have a fire. I'm gonna have a fire. Why? Look at mess.
And Aloma.
Another change never want you if I'm a worker, easy mama, Biana, one at a girl. Oh, yeah, you know, hallelujah, Chukwazago, another change never want you if I'm a worker, easy mama, Biana, one at a girl. Oh, yeah, you know, hallelujah, Chukwazago, sometimes things don't work as we planned. Did you open your key, life is mystery, but remember, the ways of God is different from men. On your chin because you seek an emperor. On your chin and melabele, call them melabele. On your chicken melabele, call them melabele. Me and in one them rat where I got you. Nemo on your chulachu, I got you. If I'm a worker, easy mama, Biana, one at a girl. Oh, yeah, chulachu, no, I you wanna wear.